This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Pulmonext Kit Tablet is formulated to manage pulmonary arterial hypertension effectively. It combines the benefits of Ambrisentan and Tadalafil for optimal results. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for the management of pulmonary arterial hypertension (PAH), as it aims to improve exercise capacity in affected individuals and reduce the risks associated with disease progression and hospitalization due to worsening PAH. How it works. The medication functions by widening blood vessels and relaxing the muscles around the lungs, thereby enhancing blood flow and physical activity capabilities. Directions for use. Take this medication as directed by your physician, swallowing it whole with a glass of water. It is important not to crush or chew the tablet. For optimal results, it should be taken after breakfast or the first meal of the day. Your healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage based on individual factors such as age, body weight, and specific health conditions. Possible side effects. Common side effects associated with this medication may include headache, dizziness, fatigue, nausea, and diarrhea. It is essential to consult a healthcare professional if any side effects worsen. Precautions and warnings. Before starting treatment, it is crucial to discuss any pre-existing conditions with your healthcare provider. This medication is not recommended for individuals with serious liver impairment, certain heart problems, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. FAQs. 1. What is the primary use of this medication? It is primarily used to manage pulmonary arterial hypertension, PAH. 2. Can it be taken with kidney issues? It is not recommended for patients with severe kidney impairment. 3. Is it safe for children? No, it is not recommended for use in children or adolescents. 4. What should I do in case of overdose? Consult a doctor immediately if an overdose occurs. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to comment below. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to bringing you more informative content.